Hello everyone, hello. It's your girl Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you, my people. Another Tory.com again, oh my people. You know this one now for like where people go they say is not all glinter is a gold. I don't know whether I talk and well. If I say talk and well, more not taken from me, my people. In that parable where they say, not be everything. We fine, not be good. So like one girl, he say this her friend he say may we advise her. He said because this video you go send out to her. May we advise her whether na marriage she can't do or na bondage or he say no. You understand? This woman, he said this woman, they with this man, they get so many children together, you understand? So, but this man, the time when not the stairs, na many pass the time way into the stairs. You understand it, my people? He say this man on the stairs, they help this woman do anything. Only this woman. So far, one just finish this woman, my people. He say this woman, only she na go do everything for house. Only she na go do. He say this man no dey even dey help am. This man get guests when they carry for outside. He say this man, they sleep pass if they friend girl. When married man go one shit on the wife, some married men, they will see do one in a respectful way. At least they'll see they meet their wife. Not be say to shit on your wife, good though. I don't say good though, I just they talk. This one will just carry the girl for contract. Go just leave the girl. He go the date time. They go come the relationship will come strong. He go date the girl like 2 years or 3 years old. This man go get off for work. He go say that lie, say he not get off. This man go must make sure say he go. He go tell the woman say they go work. Whereas now the girl want go stay with you. This woman no know. This woman come. He say when they come later know say your husband they shit on her with another girl. This one not be say maybe in the even they friend them now say he go even see truck or go no. He go just the jogo then they go can't reach like 2 years or 3 years. This man, he said this woman when this woman come this woman, and that is why this life if you follow man, not be to stay inside house say they go party they go anywhere then the man go say you responsible my dear. No, not be that one. Not be because maybe you they stay they do only they stay inside house. They go if they invite you for party, want go because you believe say marriage now just to stay inside house. My dear, who tell you not that one? Sometimes you have to go out, enjoy yourself. You must not go with your husband to party. Sometimes you can still go alone, enjoy and go to party and come back home. But some women believe say that they stay house, now they matter, they love them. This woman not they go party, they go anywhere. Your husband go carry girlfriends, they go party, they go everywhere they go. She go there inside house, they do only for inside house, like are too good. If they see who they go party, they'll say now those people they're not responsible for husband house, and their husband love them. So you not go think their husband love them. Even when they go party, even though when they go party, their husband still love them because they don't say they don't shit on them. They don't do anything for that party. They only go party and come home. And not say go party every Saturday or every Sunday. Sometimes you still go to parties. When they invite you, you still go. But some people believe say if they stay inside house, now man go still love you. Might they not be man go still love you? Who don't love you? He don't love you. And don't let any man love you because say maybe you first clean. Now make the man love you. When you come out with you go say no love you again. No, that will not be love, my dear. Don't let any man love you for condition. You understand? Because if that thing come out, that love not there again. It's not there again. I remember when I know my husband, when I ask and say, what to make you love me like this? He said no, he said nothing. I'm just natural loving girl for me. So because if condition they will make and love me, if the thing come out to go, let me say the love not go there again now. Now say the truth. But some women believe say now when this woman, what make me they talk this one now? This woman can't go they slim down. You can't say because maybe I think because he add weight, that make the man not they take am serious again or all those things. She can't go slim down. She can't dey diet, can't dey eat again, make him come down. Still yet, this man still dey shit on her. He can say, he can say, so, they follow this man go party. I been making come they follow and they go now. All those things. This man never still rest. He does still live the one way he fed they follow that time for how many years. He doesn't carry another one again now. When they date now, again for even this one, I don't still pass 2 years now. The woman they die in silence, they cry. Now so depression, now so it starts, my people. Now so it start. That is why if you dey all those country be say no benefit, nothing, only the man they do everything. I believe that they make all those women they get patients there. They go just there because now the man they work. Now they don't get anything that they do. Now the man they bring everything. Go and work. If you are working, I believe say maybe all those shit you don't go to take out. You don't go to take them. You understand? Because I believe so. Because you are not working, that is why you are still there. Now cause him. You say because he not the work after all. What you go do? Now the man they provide for everything, make it just there the beer am there. How long you go take the beer? How long? How long, my lady? How long? Just the beer and the man they shit on you, they do everything, they go. And they go post them for Facebook, they write different sweet things for your husband, And do see and I go say, oh, I want to be like this woman. That is gonna be everything I see for social media and I go they believe. Oh. All those people I see for social media where they write many women. Now lie. Easter house they cry. But they write time, oh, lovely home, my cute husband, my this. They are lying. I'm not let them give you an application, no. Man, I not let all those women give an application at all. Because all those ones where they doing, they just they lie. Nothing like that for house. The man they spend that time we're supposed to spend with them. They spend that with the girlfriend for our side. I be get what they do well too, my lady. I be me don't understand though. I be they deny that for you, right? Because we don't really know why the man go just their girlfriend for our side for 3 good years. So say go let your wife say they travel, you just did this gay house. You go just did this gay house. Yeah, my people. This one are ordinary. When I want to tell me now say na, because I know some people go now go say maybe na sham. Not be sham. Not be everything sham they do. Not be everything. When I go to say na sham, na sham, na sham. Not be sham. Sometimes our ladies they get it wrong. Marriage not be do or die something. You cannot die because you marry now. You know if you die. Which advice will advise this woman now? We cannot tell you, say me you come up for your husband house, my dear. We don't fit tell you. But whether not because you know they do anything, so go look for work where they do. Meaning this man not just come make you come depressed. You don't die yet, you won't die. This is still yet, this man not still. You don't come to say love not there. Even when be say you don't slim down, make this man love you. Lie, not still love you. They prefer those ones for our side. And they said these are friends, everything they pay now. Those girls where this man they carry, they never find a rich wife. They don't find a rich wife. They don't even reach sleepers when the wife they wear. But still yet, you see the shit on the wife. So you see, so not be by that one. So let man just love you natural. And they more better. And they more better, my people, Really. So my people, Mona help me advise this woman, so you can leave your comment or the comment section down below. Please leave your comment and like my video and subscribe and share this video for me. Please share this video. I want to make this video reach her hand so that make she receive sense. So thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Thank you and bye.